boys and girls. Today I'm going to read to you the story called The Bravest of the Brave. The next page is our dedication page where we dedicate the story to someone that we love. Late one day I hurried home, stepping through the woods alone. It was deep and dim, I could barely see, but I thought brave thoughts to comfort me. Then, in the shadows, quietly, one masked face stared right at me. So I sang my song as surely as I could, and off raced the robber through the deep, dark wood. Then, floating from a spooky tree, two gruff voices startled me. So I ruffled my fur as fully as I could, and away howled ghosts through the deep, dark wood. Then, slipping low so silently, 3 silk nets dropped over me. So I danced my dance as wildly as I could, and back tramped trampers through the deep, dark woods. Then, prickling hard and angrily, 4 long fingers poked at me, so I stomped my stomp as loudly as I could, and away scurried witches through the deep, dark wood. Then, spying down quite fearsomely, 5 sharp faces scowled at me, so I called my call as clearly as I could, and off sailed the pirates through the deep, dark wood. Then, from the darkness, suddenly, 6 arms all groped for me. So I made a stance, shouted as I could, and I pawed the ground as gravely as I could, and I raised my tail as Mother said I should, when stop! Squinting hard so I could see, there they were, my family, so they brought me home as quickly as they could, right here to our party in the deep, dark wood. Then, telling tales of bravery, 7 times they heard from me, for I stood up tall as boldly as I could, and I scared all my friends in the deep, dark woods. Then, flashing round so cheerfully, 8 bright lights encircled me. So I laughed out loud as gaily as I could, and we lit the night up in the deep, dark woods. Then, snuggled close by my family, 9 big hugs they gave to me. So they tucked me in as gently as they could, and I nestled safely in my deep, dark woods. Shh! Way up high, the sky is deep. 10 stars twinkle while I sleep. They are keeping watch, beaming peacefully, for the bravest of the brave, and that is me.